The master baker unlocks the front door before dawn, walking past empty wooden racks.
Inside is the mother starter, a bubbling beige mixture of flour and water. This wild yeast culture is the soul of the sourdough.
Flour and water are combined in a giant spiral mixer. The baker turns it on slow. A time lapse shows it relaxing and smoothing out slightly over 30 minutes. This rest period improves the extensibility of the sourdough bread.
The dough is transferred to large rectangular tubs. This is the bulk rise. The bakery keeps this room warm.
After 30 minutes, the baker wets his hands. He reaches into the tub, grabs the sourdough dough, stretches it high, and folds it over itself.
The sourdough is alive. The bacteria are creating the sour flavor distinctive to San Francisco bread.
The dough balls sit on the table for 20 minutes. They relax and flatten slightly.
For round loaves, the baker pulls the dough towards him across the table, creating surface tension. The sourdough ball becomes tight and smooth.
The baker dusts wicker proofing baskets, or bannetons, with rice flour. Rice flour prevents sticking better than wheat flour.
The baker picks up the shaped dough seam side up and places it gently into the basket.
Short. The rack is wheeled into a large walk-in refrigerator, 38 degrees Fahrenheit. The dough will sit here for
Using a razor blade on a stick, the baker slashes the top of each loaf, creating a signature ear cut or a wheat patch.
The baker slides the canvas loader into the deep deck oven. He pulls the belt back, depositing the loaves onto the hot stove.
Steam keeps the crust soft initially, allowing the sourdough to rise fully before hardening. This bakery trick creates the shiny crust on the bread.
The steam is vented. The crust begins to caramelize, turning from pale white to golden, then to a deep chestnut brown.
The audio captures the crackling and popping sound of the crust contracting. This is called the song of the bread. The sourdough is settling.
This indicates a perfect cold fermentation of the sourdough. The bakery has produced a textbook loaf of bread.
Watch your back, coming through with the sourdough.
This is the sign of a well-fermented sourdough. The bakery takes pride in this bread structure.
I hope they still have the olive loaf left.
It's barely 9 a.m. We should be fine.
Oh, wow. Look at the sourdough through the window. It looks amazing.
Can I get this sourdough sliced, please? Sure, here you go, thank you.
Here is your clam chowder in the sourdough bowl.
Oh, that looks wonderful. Thank you.
The head baker returns to the starter tub. He feeds it again to keep it strong for tomorrow. The cycle.
Night, guys. Trays are in the back. Got it. See you later.